So I'm at the junkyard and I see this truck that doesn't have front wheels. I'm on the driver's side right now. And crankshaft position sensor always been something that's kind of hard to find and hard to reach. So this is a perfect opportunity to show, because this has no wheels and it's really high up on a platform. Okay, so this is the driver's side. Right there you already see the crankshaft position sensor, which has when you look at it in your car, it will have a heat shield. The heat shield that looks like that one right there, and with the screws, which I already took. All right, so here it is. I found the perfect socket to go, which is the 8mm. The 8mm. Let's take this out. Check out the spacer. Tighten it a little bit, then you can do it with your finger. Much easier. There's not much space for a wrench in there unless you have some kind of special tool.
Oh, that's why they make the noise.
Then you slide it out. It looks just like this. There's a connector up there. Alright guys, well there it is. I had to put my camera down so I could use both hands because it's pretty difficult. Like that, you see right there? When you take it off, you'll see the orange socket in there. So yeah, I just took one out of a 2003 Land Rover.